With the release of Liftoff 2.1, we're incorporating a powerful new feature that allows you to upload data in the form of spreadsheets. This new feature is great for use on mailers, as well as imaging variable products in bulk, such as business cards. In this video, we're going to show you a brief demonstration of this function, as well as how to set up your own data-powered mailer. Let's begin. We'll start by navigating to a product that will prompt us to upload a data file. This postcard will serve as an excellent example. My first prompt is to upload a data file, so we'll choose one I already have on my computer. Please note the sheet can be in relatively any format as long as it's an Excel spreadsheet. After uploading, I'm presented with a control panel that is intended to allow me to map data columns in my spreadsheet to the template we're working with. As you can see, by updating city, state, and zip, we've completed the mapping necessary to render a full address on our postcard. Now that we've done this, we can page through our data using the Previous and Next buttons. As you can see, the proof is updated with each step. Additionally, you may choose the longest or shortest records for a given column to see how this might be represented in your template file. After placing an order, the data submitted becomes available as either a fully rendered PDF, including all records, or a blank PDF and a data file that can be sent to your vendor. Output is adjustable on a template-by-template basis. Now, let's take a look at how we build our own variable data template mailer. Let's first take a look at our Pageflex template. In this example, I have my variables already assigned, such as address and city, state, zip. The most important variable for mailers to operate is the variable we have here named variable list. This variable works in conjunction with a document action that processes incoming data from the supplied spreadsheet. Here's an example of how the document action is executed from within our Jobs tab. We have a method here called setVariables that pulls in an argument of variable list. If you would like a pre-arranged version of this template, consult with your account manager and they'd be happy to give you a sample mailer template to start. If you plan on using indicia, be sure to prefix your indicia variables with the word indicia to avoid Liftoff pulling these into the variable mappings list. Now, let's take a look at how you form your Pageflex XML descriptor file to use data uploads. The only required variable we need to consider for this exercise is a variable we'll name variable list. This variable should match up to the variable list variable created in our Pageflex template. Next, we're going to mark this variable type as data upload. You may caption your variable any way you wish. If you plan on implementing indicia, you may want to set up your indicia variables as displayed here. In our example, we have preloaded indicia records into a records table and are pulling them using the dynamic database connection. And that's it. If you've done everything properly, your template will accept data files and render accordingly. For best results, we recommend reaching out to our account management team for a copy of an existing mailer template. The provided template should give you plenty of guidance when setting up your own templates. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching.